Welcome to our 2025 guide on creating a money-making quiz app using Thunkable. Join us as we explore how you can turn your quiz ideas into a profitable app. Thunkable is a powerful platform that allows you to design and build apps without any coding experience. Let's dive into its key features and the benefits it offers. A great user interface is crucial for user engagement. We'll discuss design principles that will make your quiz app both beautiful and functional. Engaging content is key to keeping users coming back. Here are some tips and strategies to create quizzes that entertain and educate. Now let's talk about monetization. Learn how to strategically implement ads and in-app purchases to generate revenue. Enhance user experience with personalized profiles and competitive leaderboards. Discover how these features can boost user retention. Before launching, testing is crucial. We'll explore methods to ensure your app performs optimally and is user-friendly. Your app is ready, but how do you launch it successfully? Let's discuss effective marketing strategies to promote your quiz app. User feedback is invaluable for growth. Learn how to analyze it for continuous improvement and iteration of your app. As we wrap up, let's look ahead at the future trends in quiz apps and how you can stay ahead of the curve.